It is a partnership between San Miguel Corporation and the Philippine Amusement and Gaming Corporation. At bibigyan ko ng diin at no cost to PAGCOR. Pero ito ay maitatayo natin na hindi nagmula sa taxpayers, kung hindi nagmula sa San Miguel Corporation. Chairman Ramon Ang is committed. They will deliver this building at the soonest possible time. Isang simbolo lamang na pag ang pribadong sektor ay nakiisa at tumulong sa gobyerno, isang magandang resulta ang mga.
Sabi ng Panginoon, di ba? I will send you out 2 by 2. Walang solid night sa misyon. It's a collaboration between two institutions that the focus of your mission is to serve our people. And I think we are affirming the missioning of Christ.
Itong project ho na ito, mutually beneficiary po sa San Miguel at sa PAGCOR. Itong lupa ng PAGCOR, gagamitin natin to para mas maka-serve sa mga airport requirement. At the same time, sa PAGCOR naman, ngayon ko lang nalaman na wala pa lang silang naging opisina kahit kailan, na napili natin the best architect. Si Architect Xiaoling po ang ating architect sa Bulacan Airport. At si Golden City naman is our major contractor also for our Bulacan Airport. Kanya makakatiyak po kayo na talagang high quality and on time